Now, as I'm quite sure most of you are fully aware that Adobe Lightroom isn't really a video editor. We've got Adobe Premiere Pro, we have Adobe Premiere Elements, we have, for example, Apple iMovie, all great little products that you can use to edit your video to a very high degree of accuracy. So what about Adobe Lightroom? Well, as I've shown you, you can actually import and play videos in Adobe Lightroom, and it actually plays really well. I'm very impressed with the sort of clarity and actually the smoothness of the video. Let's just turn that down a little bit. When you replay it, it actually works really well. I think better than many other video, actually sort of dedicated video media players that I've used. So I don't know whether Adobe Lightroom just reacts with my particular system better than others. I don't know. It's just one of those probably computer technical things, but it plays it very beautifully. We can also go to the quick develop department and apply any number of, for example, the basic video presets that Adobe give us. So somebody at Adobe Central is obviously thinking about applying something to video. It's kind of put their toe into the video editing department just a little bit. It's certainly not a video editor. This is absolutely clear. It's not a video editor. So if you're serious about your video, you really want to ship it into iMovie or Premiere Elements or Premiere Pro, something like that. And there are many other really fine video editing applications around that you can use, Mac or PC. One thing I want to show you here, though, is if we go into the Develop module, of course, it comes up with a little warning sign saying video is not supported in Develop. It's kind of a weird thing, really, because it's sort of like, well, we allow you to import it, we allow you to replay it, we'll allow you to apply some quick develop functions to the video in the library module, but that's as far as you're going to go. And then they slam the door in your face saying, well, you can't do that. Or can you? So if I go into the video editor here and I click on the little symbol just up here, I can choose to capture a frame from this particular video. There it goes, and it just pops into the timeline here. There's the frame. That's a single frame. It's now a JPEG, as you can see up top left. So if I go into the develop module, I can actually edit that particular JPEG frame, because of course it's a JPEG frame. I can edit it. So let's say I can warm it up a little bit. Let's just add a little bit of warmth to it, a tiny bit of magenta into there. We can apply any one of the, the normal features here. Let's just crank in a little bit of clarity, see what happens there, and maybe a little bit more vibrance. There we go, something like that. Very, very simple. So what's the point in doing that? Well, I can go back into the library module. And as you can see along the screen at the bottom here, we've got the super duper edited version, which is the JPEG on the right hand side, and I've got the video on the left hand side that runs for 40 seconds. So if I shift click, okay, and I select both of them, I can then sync the settings. Here are the settings that I've applied to my JPEG image, and I can click on synchronize, and you will notice just in a couple of seconds there, I'm just going to click from, there's the JPEG, and there is my MP4 video, which is now edited or changed using the preset that we applied to the JPEG file. So it's very, very easy to do using Adobe Lightroom's sync settings function. There we go. And this thing that really beats me is it just does it. We don't have to then, as I would in Premiere Pro, go in and re-render everything to get it to replay nice and smoothly. How good is that?